Okay, in this demo, I'm going to show how to add a backdoor into the Windows registry key run so that when Windows restarts, the backdoor will work. Okay, so you can see here what I'm trying to do here is I want to add a exclusion to Windows virus and threat protection. Otherwise, you know what? When we add the backdoor to Windows, then Windows will detect it and may delete it. So that's why I'm adding an exclusion. And also I'm going to add our folder here as the exclusion. And you can see it's kind of weird. Windows doesn't show the folder here, and it appears it works. That's why here I did it 2 times. But really, I think 1 time is okay. Okay, so now we are done with adding the exclusion. When you see such kind of Windows warning, so you should follow the screen and try to actually make sure the virus will not be actually deleted. So now here, this is our cat VM. I'm trying to actually create the backdoor, and that's the IP of the cat VM and the port. So because we are going to move this exe file to Windows, it will collect back to Caddy. That's why we are using Caddy's IP. So again, I'm doing this trick, and I'm changing the exe file to the txt file to cheat on Gmail. And I'm also trying to encrypt this file with password so that the Gmail will not be able to find the content. Okay, so now I'm going to use Gmail to send this zipped backdoor to myself. Then I'm going to actually get it from the Windows. The reason I'm doing this because sometimes I found that drag and drop doesn't work on Caddy and Windows 10. It has a lot of bugs, I think. Okay, see, everything's okay. Gmail didn't complain. So I'm going back to Windows 10 and getting into my Gmail. So here's my file. Okay, I download. Sometimes you can see it's not so reliable anyway. And so now I'm going to copy this into our excluded folder workshop. So now everything should be fine. We need a password to extract this file. Okay, so I'm changing back the txt file to exe. Good. I'm going to move just this file into the workshop folder and delete the folder, the empty folder. So now I'm going to use a regedit to add one entry to the Windows registry key run so that our stuff will pop up when Windows restarts. I deleted the old test entry. I'm creating a new one. So now we just need to add the folder of our file, actually the path of our backdoor. all my operation here can be done with a program. Okay, that's normally what malware will do. But here I'm just give you a demo to show how do we do this. So that's the run key. Okay, so we are ready. So now I'm going to start the handler at Kali VM, waiting for the reverse shell on Windows 10, collecting back. So I'm using this tutorial. We first start, we are using that handler. We are expecting reverse TCP. So now we need to set localhost. This is the IP. We are waiting for the reverse shell connecting back. And this is a Kali's IP because Kali VM may have multiple IPs. We have to specify which IP is expecting that reverse shell collecting back. So this is the port. Okay, now we are exporting, waiting for the reverse shell to collect back. So here I'm going to restart Windows VM. For some reason, it takes a long time. So I'm going to cut here because it takes too much time. Okay, you can see now we got the reverse shell, and you can see this is what in Windows.